I think you did just a bang-up job.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yeah, man.
That looks pretty good, too.
The black.
You got that milk crate Creighton.
Got the milk crate.
It's like just a giant metal rod in here with like some really crusty old fittings, so they just snap. But I know it's big. Maybe it's even a 17.
It's probably 17.
Okay.
Here's your one kick, Mitch.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yes. Okay. Where the hell did this just come from?
Oh, okay. For me. Okay.
I know what I'm doing.
So, we're...
Not necessarily. We just have to bend those little tabby boys back. Because what happens is somebody took this off, didn't think about it, put it back on, and then as you tightened it down, it just splays them out.
I gotcha.
Which I think we've done to all of ours.
Am I not turtly enough for the Turtle Club?
It's a classic movie.
That was pretty good.
So now I just need to get this motherfucker. Okay.
Very nice.
So now we got that figured out. So now, yeah. I just need a sharp towel, and then we'll reassemble this. Then you should have an accurate speedo. Is that the new Carburetor?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There she is.
Crabbing, baby.
Shouldn't take too long at all.
Let me tell you, she is a one-kick wonder.
Dude, that's badass.
No matter how much you try to f*** your bike up over the course of 2 days, it will continue to one kick.
Come of it. Bullshit. Some goddamn.
Nice.
Well, I guess kind of tilts a little bit, but I don't know if
So that's my
be an issue or not.
theory.
Which wouldn't be above us.
No. And we just need to
Skeleton
cut. Yeah, now we just need to cut that skeleton. And I did it without infecting these things.
Brilliant.
So that's a win.
Great
Yeah,
idea.
it's
See how badass
yeah.
that
There's
looked, right?
no way this thing was gonna charge.
That's what
It's
it's
okay.
all about.
Yeah.
That's what it's really for.
Oh, I have no idea. I'm gonna pull up the old notes from last time and go through them again.
You hit it
It
right
looks
on
like it
the
goes all the way
nose.
down and all the way up. So I think you're as happy as you're ever going to be there.
I feel happy.
Yeah.
First time in my life.
First time.
That could work. It could work.
There's just a lot of friction in there now.
Yeah, dude. I mean, we're really bulging it, but if we can get it on there, it'll be
I mean, that'll be locked down very.
forever.
Right.
What
It is going.
Yeah, son.
It's song.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that f***ing snapback.
Like
Rip
a
it.
glove, dude.
Woo!
All right. Drinking bong water.
Oh,
Bird
carny
bang.
noises in here. Yeah, bird. He's going to go try to find some longer machine screws.
Yeah.
So when he gets back with that, we can put that on, and then I think we're ready to
Get her going.
give it a solid rip.
Yeah.
Then, oh my God, are we actually gonna take these things somewhere?
Dude.
Oh yeah.
We'll see if that leaks once we fill it up with gas. Hopefully it doesn't.
So let's simply get this thing the fuck.
Get these new fucking fuel cans.
Dude, that looks annoying. As if you had enough.
Dude, I've been blasting the gasoline at least 4 or 5 times a day. I swear to God.
So we just got a draining bat cinch.
Yeah, needs
Well,
to
it's not
charge.
charging.
And I got cotter pins on your little lock washer or your lock nuts here.
Oh, no shit, man.
Now we're
Thanks, dude.
You know, so it flows out at, like, this is basically the charging coil right here, and it flows out to this white wire and this yellow wire. It goes into the reggie turns into DC, comes out of this red wire, and DC goes to the battery.
But then that means if you really dig into a corner...
Oh, it's not touching now.
Yeah, but if you really dig into a corner...
Yeah,
Is it not going backwards? Am I not in neutral?
Might
no,
not
I think
be.
it's because it's jamming on there.
Okay.
See, it's locking it up.
Oh, I see.
I feel like that was not an issue I was having before.
We found a little chub rub scenario, and we're just trying to de-chubbify it.
I'm gonna chub that rub.
Red with black, the green with red, the blue, the green with white, the yellow, and the white.
Hell yeah. Way fucking better.
Yeah, dude. That's what we like to hear.
What's throttle's good?
Throttle's fucking good.
Not less rub.
Hardly any rub at all.
Nice.
But she's got some get up, man.
Yeah,
Yeah. A lot of pickup, dude.
It's sick.
It's fun to see it all come together, dude.
Vicinity at some point in time.
Come on, little protective sheathing. Don't you want to go to your home? What the fuck is this for, Dan?
That's for pulling shit off that is being a real bitch.
Oh, you get to use that.
You lip it on whatever you
Right.
want, and then you just slide
just-
that thing back and slam it.
Really obnoxious sound, yeah.
Real loud.
There's like way more copper on this one than
Right.
there is on this one, seemingly.
Right.
And that, or is there more copper, or is it just wound wider?
Right. I can't even tell.
It's not as conductive. Lights, guys.
Camera.
Lights.
Boom.
Lights.
No lights. Lights.
Boom.
Bop, bop.
Yeah. We're at a Diplo concert.
I do like how you're the guy riding the bike to and from CT Saturdays. Yeah. Despite your bike lighting on fire.
that could be you now.
Dude, next time.
Dude, I think you're ready to start showing up,
I feel
yeah.
like I'm starting to get comfortable on the road. Now that I know how fast I'm going, changes everything.
Later, boy.
Later, dude. We'll see you next week.
Oh, yeah. There's your ending, Mitch.